Hello friend, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. Today we're sharing with you modern industrial desk bullet. The modern material desk typically embodies a blend of sturdy materials like metal and wood, presenting a rugged yet modern ethic. Here some key information you might find useful for such a bullet. Materials: you will commonly need metal pipes or fittings such as steel or iron pipes for the frame, along with modern boards for the deck's surface. Other materials made include screws, brackets, and finishing material like paint or varnish. Designs: the design often feature a minimalist, utilitarian look with clean lines. The metal piping is used to create the base frame, while the wooden board frame the tabletop. Assembly: assembling the decks involve cutting and assembling the metal piping for the frame, drilling holes, attaching the wooden surfaces seriously, and applying any desired finishes. Dimension: decide on the deck's dimension beforehand to ensure the fits your space and meets your functional needs. Tools: tools like a saw drill, measuring tape, sandpaper, and a wrench are typically required for construction. Customization: the beauty of building your own decks lies in customization. You can modify the dimension, material, or finish the match your performance and style. Remember the prioritize safety measure during the construction process, especially when working with tool and material. Double check measurements, follow a clear plan or blueprint of avoid mistakes. Thank you for watching the videos. Please like video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.